Hey, it's been snowing for the last 24 hours. You can see there's a fair bit of snow here on the ground, but we have beautiful conditions now going for a walk in the forest. Let's see what kind of animal tracks we find, or maybe because of the ongoing snow everyone's still hiding. It's a little bit over, a few deeper spots here, but over ankle deep, mostly onto the shin bones, mid-shin in terms of snow levels here, and sinking in down to the knee. In times you can probably hear it crunch under my feet. It's a bit tough going here with the open areas between the trees accumulating all the drifting snow. So 1.5 feet of snow, maybe like 45 centimeters in places. Not bad for 24 hours. It's a good snowstorm yesterday in Toronto. All the schools were closed. Must have been quite brutal there, even though I saw some photos and some videos showing people still commuting, going to work out here. Nothing much happened other than sitting by the fireplace. See beautiful undisturbed snow. A little bit easier here. The denser the trees, the less snow accumulates. Coming up to the creek here, completely snowed in. Can't see any of the creek here. Just white, little dip in the surface. You almost gotta look closely to see it. Last time I walked through here, there were deer tracks next to the rabbits that are always around. The occasional coyote tracks. And obviously turkeys. A little bit easier now on the slight incline amongst the cedars here. Since walking through the snow here last year, I was able to clear the tracks and have a continuous, about 1 kilometer long trail. I think without knowing where it was, it's still not that easy to find. Everything being covered in snow, you don't know if there's plants underneath or if it's actually a trail. Just been shoveling snow, cleaning the driveway. You can probably hear I'm a little bit out of breath. It's a large area. The snow had accumulated obviously overnight, but also a little bit heavy with some frozen rain compacting it all. We went from -7 Celsius yesterday to just around 0 degrees now, maybe just below. Ducking under here. It's a beautiful walk. Other than the wind going through the tops of the trees, it's howling windy up there. It's fairly quiet on the ground level. Still no tracks over here. I think the animals really keeping it low key while this is going on. You can see a few branches coming rather low with the snow accumulating on it. I remember last year, before I found this particular path and built it, I was coming somewhere through here. You can think like, oh, maybe there is a path, but there's a lot of juniper underneath, so I changed it. Walking through deep snow here does remind me a bit of walking in deep sand on beaches. Obviously a lot warmer there, but does require a little bit of effort. It's not just a straightforward walk. Particularly in this area, I seem to notice under my feet the layer of frozen rain that accumulated midnight or overnight. I go through about, on each step, 10-15 centimeters of snow, then hit a more crunchy layer. As my weight goes on it, the foot goes through the crunchy layer into another maybe 10-15 centimeters of snow. So each step requires the effort of lifting myself back out of it. Maybe the same as continuously climbing stairs. I think that's about it, like with the effort. Beautiful clearing here. You might see in the video there's snow coming down again. There's too many flags in front of my eyes to see if it's on the screen in front of my eyes. Beautiful winter wonderland. Very, very nice. Oh, clearings accumulate more snow. Here we go again. Lower branches almost make me guess where we're going here. Still on track. It'll be easier in a moment when we're re-entering the cedar forest here. Whoop, deep patch just as we get to it. Here amongst the cedars we're down to maybe just 15 centimeters, and in the opening now it's getting deep again. Really deep actually. Surprise, surprise. And here we see the first tracks. Might be able to notice it here. Looking at how far they're apart, I'd say probably a deer or a jumping rabbit, but narrow, so probably a deer crossing. Here, this is the part of the path that has the cedars on the right and the mixed forest with buckthorn and ash elders on the left. To the right is slightly higher ground, and dry to the left is where the wet forest is. I love this little section here. Really meanders through between the junipers on the ground. Not much to see of the junipers at the moment. Once all the snow defrosts again, it's around a half meter of snow here now. Really deep. The long branches of this cedar here. Wonderful. No shelter. More open area, a bit more light here. All deciduous trees allowing more light come through in winter when all the leaves drop. Here again, unnoticeable. This would be the creek. And along there, can't really see it. Same when we moved here, initially we thought it was a path. Well, it was dry as soon as there was a bit of rain. And it was very obvious this is the creek, and in winter you have ice on it. Obviously, you should try the ice skates. Scoot around the neighborhood. It's the area behind the house. And the end of the garden, about to emerge another 25 meters or so. you see the snow drift there and parts being blown off the roof. Keep snow around here behind this. Hope you enjoyed the little walk. I'll go inside and warm up my hands.